Man, that's a big one right there.
What are they doing?
Let's get over here.
Look at him. He like, what a food at, shawty? So you looking all at me? What a fool at, shawty? Huh?
I think they did their hair like that.
I don't think I want to feed them. They're kind of scary. Let me see. Ain't these seals and sea lions?
Yeah.
I forget how to tell them apart. It's been so long since we... Look, he's going crazy.
That's the seal. How you can't tell him, huh? That's the seal.
Look, look. Oh my God.
He about to jump right there.
That is so freaking cool.
5 for 20. One tray, 6.
5 for
You gonna go
20.
buy it? You gonna buy it?
Oh, if I had no money, I would have bought
Go buy it.
For what?
Look, he looking, he waiting on you.
Oh.
He like, forget y'all then. I'm gonna come down here to these folks. He know how to bed. Look at that. They ain't paying you no attention either while you acting all stank with somebody. We finna go buy you some food, but listen, if you gonna act all funny acting, then we'll feed another sea lion.
That's not closed. I went over there and they closed the shop because they
You hear me? Everybody down there getting fed. Why you ain't down there with everybody else? They don't be kicking it with you like that. He like, girl, stop talking to me. You ain't got no food, don't talk to me. What's wrong, Gorgiana?
He
We
look
got
hungry.
daddy over there spending his money feeling some type of way. Daddy like, I ain't signed up for this. But he the one want to come to SeaWorld. So daddy, we spending your money today and today. We spend it every day with wood cash.
Look, he because you won't feed him.
You finna eat better than us. $20 for some fish. He talking crap. I told you I'm gonna get you some food. Quit acting like that.
Go.
He like, forget you, girl. I'm finna go find me somebody else with some money. He broke anyway. Look, every time he see a new person, he try to go find them. Look, see that man walking that way? He's like, look, I'm finna go bed.
He see Rocky Time. Look.
Oh, he see Matt Man. He's like, I'm finna bed. Look, he hungry. We gotta feed him, even though he's funny acting. It's hard out here for these seals and sea lions at SeaWorld. They so noisy.
I think I see a sea
For
lion.
these 2, 3.
Mommy, Daddy.
Tracy, you ready to feed them some fishy? Hey, we got some food. We got fish food with your phony self. Come here.
Where you at? That's him.
Come here.
Get right there.
You want this fish food? Look, there go daddy with the fish food. Daddy got 5 trays for all 5 of his kids. Look at the bird. Baby, the bird's gonna attack. Look, he going crazy. Look, yeah, do a trick. I'm kind of scared. Look, oh, shit. Look, oh, the bird, Debo. Oh, they about to fight. Oh, he slapped them. Wow, they fighting. Wow, y'all turn for the food. Woo, shit. Oh, they acting crazy.
No, hurry up.
Go, Greg. Look, get the big black one. We not feeding you. You want over here. Wait, babe. We want to feed the one that was begging. Look, them birds is gangster. What? Look, they. What the one that was begging? We feeding the one that was begging.
There you go. Give it a good toss like a baseball.
Cause they trying to attack.
You throw it like a baseball instead, dang.
We not trying to feed the black one. We want to feed this little one. He been begging. Look right here.
She gets more snacks than he does.
Oh, she does.
Yeah.
Oh, so she just
She
greedy.
knows that she can put on a show.
Oh, look at him.
But no, if you throw it
Go ahead hard, man.
right in the middle,
Good job.
right
Good
in the middle,
job.
or right in the middle, like
Come here,
that,
Choice. Come get another
right
fishy.
at her.
Look at baby. They throw one at the one on the right.
Already gorgeous.
Oh, well then feed this one. She said the black ones don't get nothing, but I feel like they some bigger breed. Look, he going
Oh,
crazy.
that's just how he talks. It's okay.
Look at her. Man, they off the chain.
Particular about their snacks, but they get 1,000 pounds.
Look at him. He like, what's up, shawty? You gonna throw the fish or what? They're like, you ain't gonna throw the fish, going on. That's so cool. Whoa!
out in the wild, so we do like seeing that competitiveness.
Oh yeah, it's a good thing. But the bird's gangster, look. Woo, the bird trying to get it. Going on, shoot.
If you hold it like a dart, you have more control, and you can toss it just like a dart right at them. So it gives you a little bit better accuracy, and they can take it. They can catch it. You don't have to.
Oh, I like it. Y'all is gangster. Yo, this is so freaking cool. Y'all some thugs. Seaworld breeding thugs. Wow. So listen, I would say Peach Patch, if y'all come to Seaworld, this is definitely a cool experience. I am enjoying this, and these things, I think Daddy going to feed him some more. Daddy enjoyed that. Oh, he going to wash his hands. Let's go wash our hands, and we're going to go see the whales. Thank you so much. This was so freaking cool. Like, y'all, these things off the chain. We got to see a sea lion fight, a seal fight, whatever kind of one that was. I need to ask her what's the difference between the sea lion and seal, because I know it's a difference. All right, Gorgiana, you got to wash your hands. And everybody doing this, so they're making a killing selling them trays. You get 5 for $20, so it's $4 a tray, but if you buy one, it's only $6 for one. Look, they're gangster. Let me go record this. Gorgeous, gotta wash your hands first. This was so much fun and scary. Ooh, you bossy. Ooh, you better get that food. They better find us something safe to do. Yeah, you can potty. I'm about to be coming to SeaWorld. Look, look at the bottle. Look at the bottle. Look at the bottle. Look, she like, look, you see me waving my fin. Don't be acting like that. Yeah, bro. And look, he missed. I got you. The other one trying to go find it. Mine was another one right there. Look. No, look. There's one right there grabbing him. Look, there's some gangsters. These things ain't no joke. Calm down. Look, greedy. Oh, gangster. You stole from that little baby. How you gonna steal from that baby? Bad seal. He's talking about yeah. That's the ones in the back. Look at the little one in the water preaching. Look, gangster. This is so cool. Okay, that's time to go. Buy seals and sea lions. Come on, guys. Get up, baby. You have to wash your hands a second time. Get up.
Likey like, hit her like you like, hit her like you like. For your girl, you like my pictures, hit her like you like. You like my videos, hit her like you like. You ain't no hater, hit her like you like. You getting paper, hit her like you like. Go like, let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like, let's go. Like, follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. Hit her like it like. Hit her like for your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right, go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right, go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.